Hello, 92 Green Z34 here, and I'm going to try to have my lovely girlfriend Brenda there hold the camera. What we're going to try to review whilst camping, and I'm already kind of drunk, but is imported Ron Diaz rum. It says right there, it's kind of hard to read, Superior. It is produced in Barbados. It is 40% booze, 80 proof. There's Ron Diaz right there again. It says Superior a whole bunch of times. Ron Diaz Superior Rum, and it says government warning. Imported and bottled by Ron Diaz Rum Company, Princeton, Michigan. So it's imported through Princeton, Michigan. CrosbyLakeSpirits.com is the website you want to go to. Anywho, I've been mixing it with limeade. I mixed it with A&W root beer. I put a little bit of the Kuiper peach schnapps in there with it, with ice, and it's very, very good so far. It doesn't have a whole lot of flavor, from what I can tell, is it maybe has a slight... Okay.
I took a lot.
From the best of what I can tell, is slightly vanilla, but I couldn't really tell much. It's not a spiced rum, it's a regular, just clear rum. So, I'll go ahead and just take a small sip from the bottle. Smell is a bit boozy, obviously. It smells a bit like vodka. A little sweeter, a little tamer than a cheap vodka.
Is it extra smooth like it says?
Yeah, it is actually. It's a creamier, cleaner vodka. I mean, there's way less than a cheap vodka here, and the price of this shit is like, what is it, $11 a bottle? I think it was $11 for this bottle here, and this is a I don't even know.
How many ounces? Fluid ounces?
No, later.
Oh, what does it say down there? Nothing? Or does it say anything on the lid?
No, just a plain white lid. I don't know. But it's a bigger bottle, and
It's a decent size.
tastes about like tastes like a really mild vodka, maybe with a slight hint of vanilla. It's very hard for me to tell at this point, but it is not. It's not a strong flavor. It's a bit boozy. I have one other one to review. We'll get to that here in the next video. With lime, with peach schnapps, with lemonade, with A&W root beer. All of these are pretty good mix. It's pretty mild. Even though it is a hard liquor, it is not a very boozy one, even though it is boozy. So, I recommend it, and for the price, I don't think you can do much better. If you're just going to go for just a plain rum, I think that, Captain or a spiced rum may be a better choice, but if you're just going for a mixer, it's hard to go wrong with that. So, that's pretty much completed my video. Thanks guys for watching. As always, have a good day.